Hello, everybody. Good afternoon, and welcome to the Climate Policy Forum, Innovation and Green Technologies for the European Green Deal. My name is Tomer Weinstein, and I'm co-founder at BLEE, and I'll be your host at this special event. This event is organized by the European Commission and the European Union Delegation in Israel, in partnership with ISERD, Israel Innovation Authority, EIT Hub Israel, and Paris Center for Peace and Innovation, and powered by us, BLEE. We're broadcasting to you live from the Tel Aviv Stock Exchange and virtually from Europe. With us, our Ambassador Geoffrey, Minister Gamliel, and Chemi Peres. We have a packed afternoon for you filled with surprises. So let's quickly go through some cool features of this event. First off, this is a new format. And because of this, speakers have been asked to keep their speeches short and to the point. Then we have DVIR, who I think you already know, but if not, hi DVIR. DVIR is my co-founder and our lovely online moderator for today, and he's right now in the engine room. From there, he'll be watching the event with you and commentating and explaining what's happening on stage and in the rooms. Pay attention to him as he will be posting questions and polls every 10 minutes for you to answer. And here's a cool feature. He will let you select questions for the speakers to answer, so you will be able to influence the event. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity. This event is taking place in 3 parallel rooms. Right here, this is the stage. There's a startup pavilion where startups from the EU and Israel are pitching, and they will be taking your questions. And there's a training room in Hebrew, where you will learn how to apply for funding from the Horizon 2020 and the upcoming Green Deal call. Now, to keep it engaging, every 10 minutes, we will send out polls for you to fill out. If you're viewing this from your phone, you'll see a round button popping up at the bottom. Press on it, and you'll see the poll. If you're viewing from your computer, the polls are on the right side of the screen. Lastly, and this has to do with our beginning, there's a saying here that goes, man plans and God laughs. What I mean to say is that we've planned this event to work flawlessly. But as you can see already, there are some times that there are force majeure. So if something is happening, just be patient with us and be sure we're fixing it as fast as possible. Now we're ready to begin.